Hey, hello everyone. This is Rutik, and it's our day 3 of earning money using AI. So, let me share my progress, how day 3 was going on, and there are lots of things. So, let's start. We have a 7 day challenge to earn money using AI. So, first day was about lots of things, making landing page and creating a functionality which is fully workable and all. So we create that and deploy our product. After that, on second day, I share the video of our product. So our product is working, the pricing section and all. So all things are set up. It is hosted on the Hostinger. We buy the professional domain for it. So all things are done today, day 3. So today on day 3 we need to work on 2 or 3 main things. First of all is fine tuning our application. The core functionality which user want to use should be work like a means it should be work like a butter. We can say it has to be very smooth. And after that, the another thing which is very important, that marketing, how I am going to market my product. So my product, I need to find who is the better user for it, and for that I need to run some marketing campaign, ads and all. If I have to target one certain community, so I need to write a blog accordingly. I need to write, I think, some Reddit post and all. So there is a lots of way of marketing, and we have to achieve that as soon as possible. We need to, means, day 3 is like all taking a improvement or improvement feedback from the users and implementing it. And yeah, it's like that only. So yeah, day 3 was going on. We are currently fine tuning our application, and after that we are marketing our application. We are creating the YouTube videos. We are planning to create some short videos for like a reels or YouTube short. After that we are planning to create some blog, Facebook ads was there. After that, some community game was there. So yeah, we are doing lots of things. So I feel we can able to achieve our goal, earning money within a 7 days. So let's see what happened at the day 4 or day 5, day 6 and day 7. We still have the 4 days. So let's see. Let's meet once again tomorrow. Till then, bye bye.